Operation means things like add, subtract, divide, multiply, etc. But when you see something like this, what part should you calculate first? Today, in this video, we are going to learn the order of operations to be followed in math. Hi friends, welcome back to Math Simplified. In order to find the correct value of an equation, we always use the order of operations. But do you know, we always follow an order in every time we perform a task. While dressing, you first put the dress on and then the shoes. Can you imagine the other way around? It's really time consuming, right? While cooking, we chop the vegetables first and then we add it to the mixture. We don't do the other way around. Yes, the order of operations can be related to the real life situations as well. The order of operations can be remembered using a shortcut. Pemdas, Bodmas, Bodmas. All these means the same thing. In Pemdas, P means parenthesis, E means exponents, M multiplication, D division, A is addition and S is subtraction. Order of operations Pemdas can be remembered by the phrase, please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. So let's see some examples where we apply the order of operations. Now let's move on to the first example. Here, first you should do the parenthesis. Parenthesis means what is inside the bracket. Here you have 5 plus 3. So you will do that first. That is 4 multiplied by 5 plus 3 is 8. So 4 into 8 is 32. But sometimes you will do like this. 4 into 5 plus 3. So you will do it as 20 plus 3, 23, and that is wrong. You should always follow the order of operation. You should start with what is inside the bracket and then you will do multiplication. Now let's move on to the next example. Here you have a power, that is a number in an exponential form. So as the order of operation states, you should do E first before multiplication. So you will write 5 multiplied by 2 raised to 2, that is 4. Now 5 into 4 is 20. But you are not supposed to do like 5 into 2, 10 raised to 2, 100. That is wrong. You should always start with E. Now let's solve these examples. Remember, you should multiply or divide before you add or subtract. In the first question, you can see there is an addition and multiplication. So you should multiply first. So it becomes 2 plus 15 is equal to 17. In the second example, you have division and multiplication. Both multiplication and division rank equally. So you should just go from left to right. So from going from left to right, you can say division first. So 30 divided by 5 is 6 into 3 will give you 80. So in the third example, you can see division and multiplication. As I mentioned, since both of them rank equally, you should go from left to right. So when you move from left to right, you can see 12 divided by 6 is 2 into 3 divided by 2. Again from left to right, 2 into 3 is 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. So 3 is the answer. In this example, you can see many operations and also you can see a parenthesis, that's a bracket. So that you should start first. So it becomes 30 divided by 5 plus 30 into 19 plus 4. Now you can see division and multiplication and also addition. So as I mentioned, division and multiplication you can do from left to right. So here you will start with 6 plus 30 into 19, you will get it as 570 plus 4. Now you can add it. So 576 plus 4 gives you 580. So 580 is the answer. Now let's solve these questions. In the first question, you have something inside a bracket. So you will do that first. So it becomes 10 minus 4 plus 7 plus 3 into 24 divided by 4 is 6. Now you have multiplication, so you should multiply before you add or subtract. So it becomes 10 minus 4 plus 7 plus 80. Now addition and subtraction also rank equally, so you should do that moving from left to right. So here you have 10 minus 4, so it becomes 6 plus 7 plus 80. Now you can directly add, you will get 31 as the answer. In this question, we should take care of the parenthesis, that is a bracket. So you should do what is inside the bracket first. Here you have 4 square minus 2 into 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So you will write that here. So always write the negative number inside a bracket. Now you have an exponential form, so you will do that first. So it becomes 16 minus 2 into negative 3. Now you should multiply before you subtract. So it becomes 16 negative 2 into negative 3. It is positive 6. So your answer is 22. Now let's move on to the next question. In this question you have parenthesis and also the exponential form. So you should take care of them first. So it becomes 3 into 5 square is 25 divided by 15 minus 5 minus 2 square is 4. Now you should do what is inside the bracket first. Here as we move from left to right, you will do multiplication first. So it becomes 75 divided by 15 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Now what is 75 divided by 15? So it is 5. So 5 minus 1 equal to 4 is the answer. So what you will do, you will start what is inside the bracket first. So here as we move from left to right, you will start with multiplication. So it becomes 4 minus, then you have division. So 2 divided by 2 is 1 plus inside the bracket also addition and subtraction is there. From left to right you will start. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So minus 3. Now negative 2 into what is 4 minus 1? It is 3 plus 8 minus 3 is 5. Now you will multiply. So it becomes negative 6 plus 5. Your answer is negative 1. So remember, for multiplication and division, since they rank equally, you can move from left to right. So same is applicable in the case of addition and subtraction. I hope the concept of order of operations and its applications to get the right answer is crystal clear to you. Stay tuned for more videos. Till then, bye and thanks for watching.